When I say sorry, I meant it by saying sorry for your losses. That was the teaching I was teaching today about defilements. Your soul were defied. Your destiny disappear. You were feeding the world before, but not now. You were helping people. You were raising people. But you are stranded now. Men looking at you look so nice. God has remembered you. They cook for you with bad pots. Even though you claim you know about kitchen, but they cook for you with bad pots in a witchcraft kitchen. You ate witchcraft food, and everything was a kind of heavy wind we are blowing, scattering everything you know, everything you have acquired, and you are kind of, this one we miss, this one we miss, this one. You are stranded. Those days people were owing you big money. Today you are owing. God has remembered you. Witchcraft is a human being. They hold you, they suppress you, even though you are claiming what you are not. You know, you lie today just to cover up. I prayed prayer today because before I pray, I've taught you people. Then God has started doing great work. Amen. Let me speak my dialect. Etakafu. Huh? What I'm telling you just happened within 16 months.
2 years.
16 months.
Less than 2 years.
A journey you have made for 10 years, a decade, and something you have acquired just disappear. And do you know one funniest thing? That prestige you still have, maybe in a question, people used to give you that homage, but your pocket is empty. You see that what God has destined in your life, nobody can take it away from you. The prestige is still there, but the pocket is dry. Your account number is red. I don't know that people can owe ATM people. Pardon, MTN people on phone, you can owe them, you can owe bank. I don't know. Even though you owe everywhere, but it's okay. I just want to touch your palm. Jehovah said, everything they have taken, I pray against it. Receive it back. Receive it back. Receive it back. Do you know why you are lucky? When you heard about me, you did not doubt much.
Never. I heard about it from
you. You heard about me. Okay. That's what you say. I didn't be you doubted. You sit here, after service you go. Nothing will happen. But you say, you want to remember the bad side. You say, let me follow it at the bad side. Since he's a bad man, see the bad man. I'm not the one that bless you. It's your creator. I'm just a messenger. You were made rich man from birth. In secondary school, you have started making money. In secondary school, if you see how, even your teachers pay homage to you, they write your exam and give you mark because you have money. That is speaking.
I lost 4 cars within 3 months. I lost all my businesses, everything, just within.
How'd you come here? I show you. Come. Boy from Anambra?
Yes.
The chef?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Sorry. Which side in Anambra are you from?
Mri.
Nri, you?
I'm from Isochi, Abia State.
Here.
Yes.
Good. 2025 is this year. 3 years. You bounce back double. Is your master?
Yes.
Your case is different. Your case is different. But it looks like something that is happening to you is happening to you. Do you know, Adimbe, it's only him that is happening. You may think that something has gone wrong. But your own has started. And he wants to help. See the same. But look at the person that is helping. He's wearing bedroom slippers in dream. He has no shoe in dream. God will save both of you. His own case is community case. How small you are. You were hijacked from the community witchcraft. Finish you up. What happened to you is what happened to Job. Take whatever. Don't touch his soul. That's the only thing that saves you. He himself. Your case is better than him. Because your name is still there, but he has no name. Look at somebody that brought somebody for salvation. Your own case is more bad. See, God will start doing something. I asked you to come to church yesterday, but you couldn't make it.
Yes.
Money. Because you want to meet up to your spiritual work today? It's okay. I'm interested in your case. 3 years. I said 3 years. That 3 years start now. You climb it. Small, 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 till you enter their normal life. You have your business in state government. Have your business with the Senate. Are you getting? Likewise, you, everything will come normal.
I believe.
God bless you. Remember, you are going for contracts at Ghana. Remember that. That is, God will help you.
Amen.
God will help you, my son. You said you're from Agungun River?
Yes, sir.
Go, I'm done with you. Whatever they have taken is back. Your own case is community case. You meet me after service in the office. Think you come?
Yes, sir.
Meet me.
Okay, sir.
Likewise, him too.
Okay, sir.
Is that why you are not going to church? Should I slap you? You don't like going to church because of your poor? You look gentle. God bless you. Your boss made money when he was a child. You yourself, you made money when you was a child. Good destiny. But you are poor. Your boss is poor. I'll see to your case after service. You are going far. Akala chige kalage madaya na roge. Celebrate life.